everybody, this is Paul and Trades and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do something simple. Today we are not going to post something very complicated or very practical. We are going to post something very simple as an introduction to TradingView. So I've realized that most traders don't even know how to use these applications, and as a professional trader, you need to learn how to use the TradingView platform. You need to learn how to use the MetaTrader 5 platform. You need to learn how to use all the softwares that traders use that have been in the game for so long. So in today's video, we are going to look at TradingView, and this is a simple guide that is going to guide you to on how to start your TradingView journey. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. Hey, so when you search TradingView, I'm going to again search this TradingView. So when you search your TradingView application, it's actually a website, but you can also have it as an application in your laptop or in your phone. But this is how it's going to be presented. It is going to come like this, and you can clearly see that it is having this icon of TY. It is not even Y, but it is just an icon of a circular thing. It is V. So when you come here, this is the interface that's going to display. And first of all, we need to understand what is TradingView and how do we use it to our advantage, right? So when we are saying TradingView, in simple terms, we are saying that TradingView is a web-based charting platform that lets you analyze any currency pair, stock or crypto in real time. You can draw trend lines, you can mark support and resistances, you can even use indicators, and even you can use the replay button and you pause a bit price and be able to see where price had been and where price has come so far, right? So that is basically TradingView. It is helping traders to plan. This is an application where traders are going to sit down and say that, you know what, I'm going to hop onto my charts. I'm going to first plan for my trades before I click that buy or sell button, right? Yes. So that is basically TradingView, and that is a simple introduction and the explanation of it. So if you're just starting out, spend a few days learning how to navigate this app, because this is one of the apps that are going to help you in your trading career. They are going to guide you in your trading journey because it helps you to to learn how to master patience. It helps you to learn how to create a trading plan without even trying to just jump onto the buy and sell button, press buy, look for entries, just profits. No, TradingView is going to guide you in a way that it is going to help you understand that as a trader, you need to be organized. There is no point of being disorganized as a Forex trader. Sit down on your hands, be able to ask yourself, where am I supposed to enter from? Where am I supposed to do this and this? What is the chart data? What am I seeing? So it is always having this chart data. It is always having different currencies. We can see here NASDAQ, we see Japan 225, we see there are a lot of things that it contains. But as a trader, you don't need all of these. You're going to ask yourself now, how can I do this? So when we see this TradingView application, what we are seeing here is simple. We are seeing that it is having this icon, that is its major icon. It is having market summary and this fast interface. So on the left side, we have, rather on the right side, we have this part here where you can search for anything that you want. We have this part here where you can check on the products. We have this part here of the community markets and brokers and all that. So more of us, what we need is, you see, actually me, I'm already logged in, but you can also sign up and all that with email. So what we are interested in is this part here majorly. We are interested in the super chats. This is what we want. But before we even go for the super chats, we want to check in the corners. We have this part here where it is going to bring in the other parts. We have the alerts, we have the chats, and we only need the watch list. So this is the interface that is being displayed here. And we only need two things. We need this part here, so that the product part, it is going to take us to the super charts, and you can select on any of these currencies, any of these currency pairs that you want to see. So that is basically and that is majorly what you're supposed to do. That is its use. As a trader, that is what you're supposed to do. That is majorly a part of or intro for TradingView. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to select here, and then we go to the part for the super charts, and then it is going to bring this part, this interface of the chart button. Remember now, the trading view is containing a lot of chart data, right? It is containing all the currencies that you have been trading. It is actually containing even all the currency, the trade setups that you have on your chart. And the moment you apply that onto TradingView, it is going to always show you candles. It's always going to show you like your markings. And the moment they are all there, those are your entry setups, and those are the things that are guiding you to take your opportunities, to take your trade opportunities. If you observe well here, it is showing me this chart data, it is showing me ABCD and all that. So as a trader, what you're supposed to do is to learn how to navigate this chart, learn how to use these currencies. So we can clearly see that this one is showing us the currencies in the corner. These are things that are going to help us be able to change these colors, because you can clearly see that I'm the one who changed these ones here. So first of all, TradingView is going to have like I want you to look at TradingView in a way that this is a platform that is like your drawing board. This is something, look at it as how you're building a house. Let's say you're building a house, you need to first have a plan. So this is your planning area in terms of forex trading. You're going to come here and use the different tools that we have in this corner. For example, I can tap this and then it appears here. This is a line, this is a trend line, and you can see I use them in some of my trading, right? So you don't have to use all the tools that are here because they are not necessary, but majorly I'm going to put here the tools that I use personally in my trading. The first one is this measurement tool, the long and short position tools. You can see I added them to this red star, and that is favorites. So this tool helps me when I'm calculating how to take trades for buys and how to take trades for sells. So when you put them here, you can see that one is facing up and the other one is facing down. And the reason is that one is for buyers and this one is for sellers. So when you're using them, if you observe well, I have it here, I have it this side here, I have it here. This is buy, buy, buy. So you use them to use, they are like measurement tools. They are telling you that your stop loss is going to be at this area. Your stop loss or your take profit, your entry is going to be here. So they are very, very helpful in a way that when you master them, it becomes easy for you to trade. So that is majorly the first tools I use. And then also this line, the trend line. This one I use it to mark my highs and my lows. Maybe let's say it's a BOS. I can write inside BOD. No, it is BOS. Sorry, BOS. So I can write inside, and that means that it is helping me so much. And that is a simple guide of trading view, because the moment you know these basics, you trade like a pro. And then you see, usually you find your screen chart is going to be like in white, or this one you can turn it on. If you want to change the background, rather the background, you can turn off this dark mode theme, and the moment you turn it off, it is going to display into white. If I just turn it off, you'll be able to see that it is going to ask me, are you changing the interface to light theme? Or, but no, I don't want to change my interface. Oh my God, it just changed. So this is it. I didn't want to change rather, I didn't want to change my interface, but it just changed itself. So let me change it back to black. And now you can see that it has disorganized everything, but it's okay. It's all good. So if you want to also change the candles here, you can clearly see that now mine previously were red. Now they are what? Let me see. Okay. Okay, so my chart candles were like this, right? They were like white and red, but when you tap on this theme, there is a way it resets. That's why you see it is saying when I tap into it, the candles change. But let's say you want to change them. What you're going to do is you're going to come and tap on the settings icon like this, and then go to the settings. Now when you go to the settings, it is going to you see, first of all, it's going to bring you the symbol part. It is having the body borders wicks, it is saying red and green. So this is where I find my green candles, and mine, I usually like to make them white. Everything is white, borders white for the bull candles. Then for the red candles, sorry, for the red candles, they stay red, right? Because they are for sellers. Then you can see the status line, canvas, and all that. But these are the background. If you want to change the background, you can change it to white. You can change it to red. You see my background keeps changing. You can change it to yellow, depending on what you want, you as a person. Now, for me as a professional trader, I'm using black. No way I'm using something which is light. No, I'm using black, and That is my main solid background. So you decide which background you want to use, and now you can see that that is my chart. That is basically my chart. And then this part here now, this is the part for the watch list. I want you to observe well here. There are currencies, different currency pairs, right? A chart of GBP JPY, but as I told you, the watch list here is more of, it is helping you understand the different pairs that you want to add, that you want to trade rather. If you want to add any pair, let's say for example card JPY, you can tap on the plus icon here. You can tap here, and then it is going to bring you to, you search for your pair card, let's say card CHF. Then you tap on plus sign. You add it there. It is going to display down here. You can clearly see that. So when you tap on it, it's chart is going to display like this. It is going to come here like this, right? Yeah. So that is basically what you need to know, and the tools that you need to know, the tools that you need to use. Those are simple things. So take time, try to navigate through this app, try to navigate through this platform, and trust me, it is going to become easy for you. I just brought in this as an introduction. It is user friendly. Do not fear the app. It is user friendly. You can clearly use it, and anybody can become a trader. Anybody can become a full-time forex trader. Anybody can use TradingView app. So I'm going to leave you to do some practice with it, and you can clearly see that this they are displaying, they're coming in. So that is basically it, and yeah. So I hope if at all you find any challenges with using TradingView, please ask me, because almost everything they are explained, they are self-explanatory. The time frames they are here, everything, it is clear, to be honest. And what I wanted to do is an introduction for you to understand how to use it and what its main purpose is, right? Yeah, so I hope it is easy for you, and I'm rooting for you as always. In case you have any questions, in case you want me to guide you one-on-one coaching, we offer a one-on-one coaching program. You can check me out, you can text me out, and then we'll see how to do business and make you a profitable trader. All right, so see you in the next one.